got Captain, and we're gonna start tacking him up. Give me 1 second. Okay, so Captain is all tacked up, and we're gonna go get the arena set up. So ride with me, Captain, over there. Here, let me just give you the purpose. Not running. Chat. Well, that's not really anything. Yeah, Stradaway needs to fix it. That's the only problem that I have. So we're heading to the open arena. So yeah, meet y'all there. Okay, so we're doing the indoor arena because I really don't like the outdoor arena. So we're gonna do the medium. And no, I don't have a no, it's not a show. I just really like having all this weird ad tag on. Crap, I missed that one. Wait, give me 1 second. Let me redo that. Crap. Yes, don't worry. We're going back to do all the jumps that I missed. By the way, guys, tell me if you guys want to see more of these Stradaway videos. I really like playing this game, and I'm wondering if you guys are gonna want to see more of these. Because I will let y'all watch me or have me do more of these Stradaway videos. So, yeah. Please just tell me, and I will get your comments done as fast as I can to make sure y'all can have the enjoyment you want. But I'm gonna go put Captain up. We're gonna untack, and we're gonna put him in his stall. So we're gonna go put Captain up. So yeah, give me 1 second. Okay, so we're back with we're back here with Captain, and we are gonna untack him or detack him. Give me 1 second. Okay, so here's Captain untacked, and we gotta put his halter back on so we can lead him. So give me 1 second. Okay, we're bringing Captain back to his stall. My bad. So let's go bring you to the stall. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. But first, we're gonna have to give Captain a bath because we've been jumping already. This is Captain's least favorite part. He doesn't like getting wet. Like, not at all. So, give me 1 second. Let me just try to get him all washed. There we go. Bye-bye. Oops, so. Anyways, so there. Captain's stall is right here. So let's put him in the stall. And come on, Captain, get in here. Crap. So
okay, so this is where it all starts to go down because my voice over thing kept being buggy, and so this is like Sparkles or whatever the hell you want to call her.
Maybe
or spots. I'm pretty speckles. Yeah, speckles.
because I also have a race.
Yeah. So she
Not look like
is my star source, and I don't want to use her. She's honestly ugly in my opinion. Anyways, so the next horse you're going to see here is Thunder. He is my race horse, and he's the one in my profile picture. So if you don't know what he looks like, then here he is. Yeah. I didn't mean to show this part, but I did. But yeah, this is Thunder, and yeah. So this is where the audio ends. So yeah, I'm gonna do a dance for y'all. My end dance. Yeah, this is where it starts to bug, and it stops. So this is my ending dance, and yeah, this is your dance for you guys, and be grateful you get one, because I spent so much time on this. And anyways, bye.